Hi, I'm Dave Abbott, one of the owners of Abbott Communications Group, Central Florida's finest printer for over 30 years. Follow me for a quick tour of our facility and I'll show you how your job is produced. First stop is estimating. Our experienced number crunchers take all the different aspects of your project into account and work up pricing scenarios to find the most cost-efficient way to produce your job. Now it's on to your super friendly customer service rep. These hard-working individuals convert the estimate into a job ticket. Meet with the production staff to schedule your job and coordinate shipping. Like a tiger stalking prey, they'll follow your job all the way to its final destination. Whether you sent your file by email, uploaded, downloaded, or used our Kodak Insight feature, it arrives at the pre-press department. Pre-press operators check out a variety of settings like fonts, images, bleeds, pagination, and then create a layout based on the size of the press sheet. They are experts on all the programs and are happy to share their knowledge with you on how to build your files. Before your job is ready for the press, the file is sent electronically over to the proofing department. Here we're going to create a contract and an imposition proof. The contract proof is color correct and we use this to match the press sheet too. The imposition proof is created to look like the finished piece, which allows us to make sure the layout is perfect before the more expensive step of making plates. The proof is signed off by 3 Abbott Communications Group team members and you. It's time to make the plates. The plates are created in this machine using thermal lasers. The image is burned onto an aluminum plate in about 3 minutes and then coated with a gum Arabic to seal the aluminum until it's ready to print. Once it comes out, it's quality controlled and ready for the press. Also in our pre-press environment is a Kodak NextPress Color digital press. The press prints high quality color without using plates or conventional inks, which makes it great for a quick turnaround, smaller run sizes, or personalization. Working off a database file, each printed piece can be different with type and images personalized for the recipient. Some pressmen have ink in their veins. Our NextPress operator has dry toner. Next up are the real stars of the equipment show. All the way from Germany are 2 Heidelberg presses, running at speeds up to 18,000 sheets per hour. With unparalleled accuracy, these machines are the heart of the company. This press is the only one in Central Florida with impress control, which takes a color reading every 16 sheets and automatically adjusts the color so your job is color consistent throughout the run. Our highly skilled operators pull sheets at set intervals and check the quality. Now that your sheets are printed, it's on to the guillotine cutter. This bad boy machine cuts through paper like a hot knife through butter. Along with the lift, counter jogger, and stacker, the precision cutting process is automated, allowing these dedicated people the ability to trim over 1 million sheets a day. Finished cut pieces are mechanically stacked on a pallet, allowing the cutter operator to continue the cutting process. From here we go to our top of the line folding machines. Whether your print project folds in half, roll folds, Z folds, gate folds, or is a complicated map, Abbott's fantastic folding operators make sure your print piece looks crisp and precise. If your project is a stitch book, then it's on to the Mueller Martini booklet maker. While it sounds like a fancy drink, this machine and its skilled operators perform a multitude of operations in one pass. It's collating multiple pages, stitches, and trims 3 sides of the book for a nice clean look. Whether your printed pieces shrink wrap individually or in specified quantities, our high-speed Shanklin shrink wrapper seals and protects your printed project and prepares it for carton packaging. To make sure your project gets to its proper place on time, Your job is put into the capable hands of our shipping department. Whether it's to be delivered by our highly praised drivers, UPS, FedEx, or Freightline, it's going to get there on time. If your project doesn't ship, that means it most likely is handled by our fine folks in the mailing department. From cleaning your customer files, accessing detailed mailing lists, and then inkjet addressing, we make sure it hits the mail stream on time and in budget. These Abbott Communications Group mailing maniacs process over 1 million pieces each month. Last stop is one of our fastest growing areas, promotional products. We have just what you need for your next trade show, corporate event, employee rewards, or apparel. If you're not sure what you need, we can help as we keep up with the newest and coolest logoed items around. Thank you for taking this quick tour of Abbott Communications Group. We really hope you enjoyed it.